Everyone has the right to pursue a life they love, regardless of age or time. When the young pursue their passions, the seniors carry the weight that comes with years. Less about thrill, more about peace and stability. We understand this quiet desire.
All the stars were in bloom. Oh, it felt like a dream, like an old.
For every older rider who still wants to embrace the world, we make it easier to ride steady, feel safe, and stay independent. We lighten the burden of years and keep life's warmth, so every trip feels simple and worry-free. No more doubts, no more hesitation. Let every older rider move with ease and peace of mind. Enjoy every moment with ease and embrace the beauty of life fully. We are here not just to provide a journey, but to be a steady companion for every rider. We live freely, explore bravely, and fully feel the warmth of the world.
Thank you, Michael. That was very good.
Live freely, explore bravely, feel the world's warmth. Our new F20 mate.